Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online experience smoother. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to see your comment history on YouTube in 2025. With YouTube's updates, it's easier than ever to track your past interactions, whether you're a creator engaging with your audience or just curious about your own activity. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Open the YouTube website on your computer or the app on your mobile device, and sign in with your Google credentials. This is crucial because comment history is tied to your personal profile. Once you're logged in, head to your profile page. On the desktop version, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to a dashboard overview. If you're on mobile, tap your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, in 2025, YouTube has streamlined its interface for better user experience. Look for the Activity tab on your profile. It's usually right there on the main menu. Click or tap on it, and you'll see various sections like subscriptions, videos, and yes, comments. Scroll down or search within the Activity page for Comment History. You might find it under a subheading called Your Comments, or directly in the search bar at the top. Once you locate it, click to expand, and you'll see a chronological list of all your past comments across videos. Pro tip: if you want to filter or search within your history, use the built-in search function. For example, type in a keyword from a comment to find it quickly. This is super handy for referencing old discussions or managing your online presence. One more thing: YouTube might prompt you to enable certain permissions if it's your first time accessing this feature. Just follow the on-screen instructions to grant access. And that's it. You've now mastered viewing your comment history on YouTube in 2025. It's a great way to reflect on your interactions and even spot trends in your commenting habits. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.